Hello everybody, today I'm at the Bleeding Levels Nature Reserve. There's not much in the way of birds I can see here. However, we've got a nice flat dry spot that I can cook on, and we've also got a chair. This is quite a nice little area to do a little bit of a cook up. It's mid-October and everything's starting to look a bit tired. I'm not surprised really after the year it's been. The bushes and the trees and everything must be absolutely knackered. I saw some sweet corn on the way down as well, and I was tempted to give it a go, but then I thought it's mid-October, it's probably there for a reason, and it's just going to get ploughed into the ground. Today I brought along the British Army Hexamine cooker that I converted to gas. If you watch my other video on this, you see that I just had one of these little gas stoves, took all the legs off of it. Rehashed him so I could use it with various other little stoves. Hopefully this is all going to be in shot. I've got a little cover I made as well for the gas can, because when they get a bit chilly they don't perform as well. Lid on, tighten them up. There we go. I made an extra plate there just to give me a bit of reflection so any heat doesn't go down onto this gas tube. I've also got this little trivet. This one is a folding Firebox trivet. It's the smallest size and it seems to fit on there perfectly. Today we're going with some pork and vegetables, which I've pre-prepared. And then a bit later on I'm going to throw on some Jack Daniel's sauce right at the end, and I'm also going to make up some of this here mash. It's an absolutely perfect day for it today. Bit of oil to get it going. Beautiful job, looks amazing. What an absolutely lovely little setup. Beautiful job. I'm just going to let that sit for a bit with the lid on, and then we get some water on. This wasn't the video I was going to make today, but as the weather was just so nice and Mother Nature's smiling on us, it's beautiful and warm, mid-October. I've got a t-shirt on and there's hardly a breath of wind. I mean, what more can you ask for to do a video outdoors? Just something I wanted to quickly point out. These long gas canisters, they need to be used upright. When I say upright, there's a notch out of the lip, I guess you call it, and it's designed to be used that way. So remember, when you use these, keep that piece out right, and that way you won't get all the big flare-ups. Okay, that wasn't the fastest boil of all time, but it's done the job, so I'm more than happy. What flavour is this? Sausage and gravy. That should be good. Mash is resting nicely, and so now we'll move on to the main event. Now it's time for some Jack Daniel's sauce. Lump a nice load in there. And we're throwing a bit of the hot water we had from earlier. Ooh, we can deglaze the pan as we go. Beautiful job. I'm looking forward to all that saucy, porky goodness. As you can tell from this is well done. Let's turn the gas off. And now, take the lid off. Oh, look at that beauty. Absolutely stunning. Time to plate up. I hope it's all framed in focus okay, because I've got one shot at this. Go for some mash. We've got a mashed potato island. Let's turn it into a volcano. There we go. Actually tastes better than it looks. And then we're going for all this beautiful goodness. Let's complete our island. What do you think? Gosh, that looks super nice. Lovely hot meal. Let's try a piece of that pork in juice. That is absolutely stunning. Got nice creamy mash. Beautiful sauce. Bit of mushroom there. And, oh, I'll be a pig. I'll take out that giant piece of pork. Let's try the chair. I think that'll be absolutely fun. Look at that. I can't believe I've come out to a place like this and there's already a chair here. This is amazing. Right, I'm going to sit and have my lunch now while it's still hot. The little gas setup, I was super impressed with that. I'm super impressed with me cooking. That's pretty much all I've got for you for today. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time. InfoZhed out.